Want to create a poll on Messenger? Here's how to make a poll in a Facebook Messenger group chat with just a few simple steps. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device and navigate to the group chat where you want to create the poll. If you don't have a group yet, you can create a new one. At the bottom of the chat screen, tap the four dots menu or the plus icon next to the message input field. From the menu that appears, select Polls. A pop-up will open where you can enter your poll title in the What's Your Poll About field. Then, add poll options one by one in the Add Option field. Once all options are added, tap Create Poll to post it in the group chat. All group members can now vote, and you'll be able to see the results as people participate. This is a quick and easy way to gather opinions or make group decisions. And that's it. You've successfully created a Messenger poll. If this helped, tap like, comment your favorite poll idea, and subscribe for more Messenger tips.